Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply fix Roblox automatically closing or crashing without any error after the update. So basically, in order to fix this, we need to try different methods. The first thing that you want to do is to update your graphics card. So after updating the application and still we are on the older version of our graphics card, it won't be supported. That might cause crashing. So the first thing that I suggest is to simply search for your drivers right here. So in my case, I'm using NVIDIA. Then you want to get the official drivers from the official webpage. And from there, you also want to navigate through the add or remove programs because we have to bypass the actual download on the client. So to do that, type add or remove programs. Go ahead and search for Roblox. And from here, you just want to click on the uninstall application. So instead of downloading the application from the web browser, you want to head over to Store, which is going to be the Microsoft Store. And in here, you then want to simply type Roblox. You want to get Roblox from the official Microsoft Store that won't have any errors or problems within it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.